Zavardi Official. Click here to subscribe. Hey guys! For today's video, I'm gonna show you this very affordable overhead stand that is very useful on creating videos hands-free. And it costs 199 pesos here in the Philippines, and I think that's fair price when considering how well it does. This is something that can be your video vlogging setup. It's easy to install and disassemble. No holes, no drilling. The soft rubber bed of the base will not damage your wooden or glass table. The adjustable base clamp can firmly clamp the thickness of 1 to 2 inches. And this overhand stand comes with phone clip, a ball head, jaw clamp, and it is designed for desktop, cell phone, selfie, phone, photo, video shooting, and many more. It is also be used somewhere with a flat surface, where it can be clamped by the bracket or mount clamp. Free your hands to record more beautiful moments. The body of this overhand stand is made of high-quality stainless steel and high-quality knob and bracket with super spring support that makes the bracket stand more sturdier and durably. It doesn't dip or sink when you tighten the bracket knob. You can move your cell phone to any angle. You just need to fix it. It's easy to adjust. It has a rotatable folding design that the arms can be adjusted to the comfortable height and angle with various seats. You have freely adjustment. Just loosen the knob of the table mount clamp. The bracket can be rotated 360 degrees horizontally. And you can adjust the ball head to meet your need easily. And take note, it's able to hold the phone in place, and it's really just make it super easy to create content hands-free. And you can actually replace a complete tripod with something like this. So if you were to put this on your desk, you can use a legit angle of the camera. And I'm sure it won't fail you because of how it's perfectly made. And this is how it works when filming videos or content using this overhead stand. It's an affordable overhead stand that gives or provides you convenience and as well as quality while doing content for vlogging. All in all, I think this is super cool and for a lot of different content creators that need top-down shot. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye!